Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today we continue our lesson about basic PLC GE about the topic math function. Okay. In the previous video, we already learned about the advanced math for two functions. First is the absolute value, and second for square root function. Okay, and we also simulation inside our program. So today we will continue to our lesson for exponential. Okay, there are two functions in the advanced math for exponential, and for this one we can simulate in our program. So this one for natural exponential, we can also simulation in our program. Okay, so let's go to program. Yeah, it is the previous video for this one, and in this section I will not create the new FB file. I just drag and drop the exponential to test in here. Okay, so let's start. First, EXPT. Yes, this one has two inputs and one output, and one more for EXP. It has only one input and only one output. Okay, so this one example EXPT in 1, EXPT in 2, and output EXPT output. Okay, and this one more EXPT EXP input, and this one EXP output. Okay, and normally we can use the real value or integer value, no problem for this one. First I use the real value for both function. So let's save our program and then download to CPU for test. Let's see right now the result of EXPT is none, because 0 powered by 0 may be none value. So for example 2 power 0 powered by 0, it equal 1. Okay, and this example 2, it will equal 4, and for example 2 powered by 10, it equal 1024. It correct. For this one is the natural exponential. So For example, 1, it means that like this. It means that exponential, so I invert it. Okay, I can invert it. Example 1, it means that this one equal to 0.71. It is the e power by x. It means that e power by 1, so equal to 2.71. One more for example like this. 200, it's so big. So example 14. So e, so invert 14 power by e power by 14, so equal like this. It should be the same, yes. So it is the advanced function math for PLC GE about exponential. So thank you very much for watching my video, and if everyone have any question, please comment under my video, and don't forget like, subscribe and share my video also to get more notification and more video that I will create step by step. Okay, so thank you very much again, and see you next video. Bye bye.